This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Oscar Fortune. Tradan Heights, 4-bed/2 bath. This home features an office as you enter the home, open floor plan, kitchen with eat-in bar, and pantry, master bedroom, master bath with double sinks, soaker tub and separate shower. Covered patio for entertaining and a fenced yard for your pets. The Tradan Heights neighborhood offers a community play area, ponds which are stocked, and walking trails too. Be sure to see this home in a popular neighborhood, close to schools, shopping and OSU. For more information, review the details below or contact Oscar Fortune at 405-747-6042.